In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Outlook using Google Chrome. Whether you're accessing your emails for work, school, or personal use, this step-by-step guide will help you log in with ease and quickly access your inbox. To begin, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your device. This can be done by finding the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your app list and clicking to open it. Once Google Chrome is launched, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. A simple way to do this is by typing outlook.com into the address bar at the top of the browser and pressing enter. This will take you directly to the Outlook homepage where you'll see various options and features that Microsoft Outlook offers. Next, look for the Sign In button. This button is typically easy to spot on the page, usually located at the top right corner. Click this button to proceed to the next step. You will then be directed to the Sign In page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details, so have your email address and password ready. In the first field, type in your full email address associated with your Microsoft Outlook account. Be sure to type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email address, click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type in your password. Remember, it is case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as any special characters. If you're using a personal device and feel comfortable doing so, you might want to check the Keep Me Signed In box for quicker access in the future. However, it's generally safer not to select this option if you're on a shared or public device. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on the Sign In button. With your credentials verified, you'll be redirected to your Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll find all your emails organized according to your preferences, whether they're in folders, categories, or based on recent communications. From this dashboard, you can start managing your emails right away, whether you're reading, replying, or organizing them. For anyone new to Outlook or unsure about any feature, remember that the interface is designed to be user-friendly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, explore the different sections, and discover options like calendar integration, task management, and contacts. If you ever need to log out, simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Sign Out. By following these steps, you should easily access your Outlook account using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day exploring Outlook.